Hello, I'm back again with another shop with me video. Today I'm at Burlington. We have music loud in the store. Let's see what we can do. Alright, here I'm looking at these gold metallic sneakers. I'm looking for something like this. Yeah, but this one is in size 7. If I see it in my size, I wouldn't mind. This is really good. Yeah, for $24.99. Good. The quality is good. Here we have the simple sneakers. Look at this. This one is by Tommy, and this one is $27.99. Here we have something similar. This one is off white. Yeah, by Puma, and this is $36.99. We are doing this year, okay? Yeah, I'm looking for something like this, let's say pants, which is good. This looks so good, I love it. And this is in size 7. Store price is not on this. Down here we have this flat ballet. Yeah, ballet flat for $12.99. And down here we have this is really in this year, okay? Yeah, interesting dupe. For up here we have this one by DKNY, interesting loafers, and this is $29.99 in size 7. Up here we have these platform sandals for $32.99 by DKNY. Yeah, $32.99, not bad. Yeah, they have lots of trendy footwears today. Look at this ballet flat by Madam Go for is on sale for $8.69. How do you explain this? This is why we are in the store, okay? This looks so good. Okay, and here we have this one. Yeah, we are doing this platform sandals. This is $16.99. Good. For next season, this is it for you. Interesting ankle boot. The leather feels so good. Ponchito, I love this. And this one is $24.99. Good. Let's see what we can grab down here. Down here we have this one. This looks like, yeah, New Balance. I saw something like this at New Balance store. Yeah, it looks good. Yeah. All right, I'm loving the neutral colors. Interesting. And this one is in size 7. We have another platform sandals. Yeah, this one is $12.99. Up here we have more ballet flats. Look at this. Oh, this one is by Sugar. And this one is in size medium, pointy toe. Interesting. I love the quality. This is $14.99. Ballet flats are very affordable. I don't know why. Yeah, it kind of, yeah, I think anyway, to be honest, this is ugly if you ask me. Yeah, I will invest on this with, in fact, I won't even invest. I will dive on, I'll dive in with style, okay? This one, look at this. This is very good by MK for $39.99. It looks good. The quality is good. The material feels so thick. Yeah, if I'm to go for this, I will definitely go for materials like this, right? At least it's not gonna make your feet looks, look too bad. It's gonna hold your feet a little bit. All right. Yeah, and here we have more footwears. Look, this one is $17.99. Very simple one. We have more by the same brand. This is gold, and this one is $17.99. Up here, almost all brands are doing this. This looks like, not that Samber. Yeah, very good. And this one is by Puma. If you can't lay your hands on that Samber, on the trending sneakers that are in Adidas family, you can, pay just pay less, get them from different brands. Look at this one. Yeah, this one is from another brand for $29.99. Good. Here we have these sling bags. Look at this. Shoes. This one is $14.99. More ballet flats. If you are looking for interesting trend, you are into trend, come to Burlington. Look at this. This is by Go, and this one is $14.99. Most of their ballet flats are $14.99. I just noticed. And look at this. We are doing these prints. This is interesting print. This is snake print, right? We are doing leopard prints, snake prints, zebra prints, in fact, animal prints this year. Let's pick the price. The price for this one is $15.99. Look at that. This is new in the store actually. And more ballet flats. Look. This one is round two for $14.99. And look at this platform sneakers, and this is $24.99. All right. And up here we have these flat sandals. I love the color. The quality is so good. Look what I'm seeing here. Look what I'm seeing here. The quality is so good for $24.99. Okay. See the first sneakers we saw. This one is in silver. Yeah, silver metallic for $24.99. Good. They have interesting new shoes in the store. Look. If you see what we did not touch, go to any Burlington near you. Trust me, you will get something very interesting. Let me take you to top section. I'm at top section. Look what we got here. Let's see what they have here. Okay, I'm looking at this top. Look at that interesting print. I'm loving the color for 12. No, this is an extra large. This is $10.99 by this brand. Extra large. Yeah, okay. Look at this simple tee by Gap. Okay, in size extra large for $7.99. And here we have this one, right? Very good polka dot top. This is girly for $10.99. Okay, it looks good. And here we have this sweater top with these see-through sleeves. Very good. I love the color. Olive green for $16.99. Extra large. Okay, and here we have this. This should be, yeah, this is men shirt. It's very good shirt. This is in size 4X, big and tall. This will be good for you. This is $12.99. Good. And here we have this tee. The quality is giving what it should give for $19.99. Extra large. Here we have this sleeveless polka dot top. Look at that. It looks and feels so good. Perfect for summer. $8.99. Large. Okay. And here we have another one. I'm loving this one. Okay. Look at this. It's see-through up here. And with this very good material down here. And here, this one is $10.99. Extra large. And here we have another simple tee. This one is by Gap for $7.99. Extra large. And here we have this looks like denim, but it's very light. It looks very good for $12.99. Extra large. And here we have another one. Look at this. I got something like this last year. It's back in stock. This one is in black color. Let me come close so you see what I'm seeing here. It's nicely made. The quality is so good. And the price in the store today is $14.99. And this was $39.50. Yeah, today you get it for $14.99 in size extra large. Here we have another one, very interesting with embroidering down there. Very good sleeveless top. It feels good as well. Okay, and this one is in size extra large for $11.99. This is another interesting black top. Look at that. With these two, oh, this is for fancy. All right, very good. It looks so good. Interesting sleeveless top, and this one is in size 1X, and the price for this one is $10.99. And another black top, look at this. Okay, and this one is in extra large as well. Store price is 19.99. The quality is good. I'm not surprised. And here we have this clean white short sleeve top. Look at the sleeves. Interesting detail. It's nicely made. Look at that for 10.99. And this one is in size small. I don't know what is. Anyway, let's keep going. All right. And here we have this. I saw something like this the last time I was in the store. Is in size 12. Okay, is in size extra large for 12.99. If you made it to this point, thank you so much. Share, share, share. And until next time, bye for now.